Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Srikanth Gurukul. We have already covered the first 80 questions of the Assistant Section Officer exam 2022 General Awareness paper in 4 parts in last 4 videos. Particularly in this video, we shall cover the rest 20 questions of the paper. If you guys have still not watched those videos, then kindly watch those videos by visiting our channel. Now let's start with question number 81. And the question is, the National Defense University INDU is located at, the options are Dehradun, New Delhi, Biruna Village, Haryana, and Chennai. And what is this INDU? It is the National Defense University, INDU, Indian National Defense University of the Government of India, and it is located at the Biruna Village in the Gurugram district, Haryana. The option C is the correct answer. What is the aim or what is the objective of the INDU? The first objective, that is to promote research oriented national defense policy and high level leadership development of officers for military duties and policy formulation responsibilities. It develops and propagates higher education in defense studies like defense management and defense science and technology. These are some objectives of the INDU. Next question, the present Chief of Air Staff of India is option A MM Narvane, B VR Chaudhary, C Bipin Rawat, D Hari Kumar. And the correct option will be the VR Chaudhary, and the Air Marshal VR Chaudhary, he replaced the former Chief of Air Staff, that is Rakesh Singh Bhaduria. Now the present Chief of Air Staff is VR Chaudhary. Next question, Quad comprises of the following countries, and here are some options. What is Quad? Quad means the Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. It is an informal strategic forum that is comprising of 4 nations. Who are the 4 nations? It is USA, India, Australia, and Japan. USA, India, Japan, and Australia. It was formalized by the former Japanese Prime Minister Shinzo Abe in 2007, and the prime focus of the Quad group is to establish a free and secure Indo-Pacific region. Free and secure Indo-Pacific region. Next question, who is known as the Missile Woman of India? And the options are Dr. Tessie Thomas, Indira Gandhi, Gunjan Saxena, Mary Kom. And the correct answer will be Dr. Tessie Thomas. Dr. Tessie Thomas is known as the Missile Woman of India, and she was the first woman, because she was the first woman scientist to head the missile project in India when she was the project director of India's Agni 4 missile. So India's Agni 4 missile, she was the project director of Agni 4 missile. Question number 85. On 28th January 2022, which helicopter was officially inducted into Indian naval ships Utkarsh at Port Blair? The options are ALH Mk3, Mi-24, CS-47 Chinook, AH-64 Apache. And the correct answer will be the ALH Mk3, because on 20th January 2022, the indigenous advanced light helicopter is the ALH Mk3 aircraft that was officially conducted to the INS Utkarsh. Next question, the only Air Force officer to have received the Padma Bir Chakra. The only Air Force officer, it is the only Air Force officer to have received the Padma Bir Chakra. The options are Air Commodore Ravis Malhotra, Flying Officer Nirmaljit Singh Sekhon, Squadron Leader Abhinandan Bartaman, and Wing Commander Rakesh Sharma. And the correct answer will be the flying officer Nirmaljit Shekhon. Nirmaljit Singh Shekhon is the only Indian Air Force officer to be awarded the Paramveer Chakra. He held the rank that is the flying officer and was awarded in the year 1971. And there is also some information, that is Captain Karam Singh was the first living recipient of the Paramveer Chakra. It is Captain Karam Singh, first living recipient of the Paramveer Chakra, and Major Somnath Sharma was the first to be awarded Paramveer Chakra in 1950. Major Somnath Sharma. Somnath Sharma is the first to be awarded Paramveer Chakra, and Yogendra Singh Jadhav was the youngest recipient of the Paramveer Chakra. Yogendra Singh Jadhav. Yogendra Singh Jadhav. Jadhav was the first youngest recipient of Paramveer Chakra. Then next question number 87. The S-400 missile defense system is procured by India from which country? That is France, Russia, US and Israel. And despite several objections from the USA, India is procuring the S-400 missile defense systems from Russia, and except all other countries who have the S-400 missile defense systems are among them China, Turkey and Russia. These countries have the S-400 missile system. Now India also procured the S-400 missile system from Russia. Question number 88. In a boost to Atmanirbhar Bharat, which aircraft was given acceptance of necessity by the Defence Acquisition Council in June 2022 to be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautic Limited. That is a Rafale, Mirage 2000, Dornier, Su-30. And the correct option will be the Dornier, and it is an indigenously manufactured 2-engine aircraft, and it is being used by the Indian Navy, Coast Guard and Indian Air Force, and it is manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautic Limited, that is HAL. Next, question number 89. In January 2022, the Bodo Roads Organization carried out final blast on Sela Tunnel, and the tunnel is located in which state? The options are Meghalaya, Manipur, Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Sela Tunnel is an under construction road tunnel which will ensure all other connectivity between the Guwahati in Assam and Tawang in the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh, and it is located in Arunachal Pradesh. And the question number 90. The equivalent rank of a squadron leader in army is Major, Brigadier, Captain or Subedar, Major. The equivalent rank of the squadron leader in the army is Major, and in the Navy it is Lieutenant Commander. Lieutenant Commander. That is the equivalent rank in Navy, equivalent rank of a squadron leader in Navy. Question number 91. Who were awarded Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2019 for developing lithium-ion batteries? And the lithium-ion batteries, lithium batteries work on Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2019 for 3 scientists, and they were the John B. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham and Akira Yoshino. The John B. Goodenough, M. Stanley Whittingham and Akira Yoshino. Option D is the correct answer. Next question, question number 92. Which recent online campaign led to declaration of the Jaipur Rainforest as National Park in Assam? And the options are Siang Bachao Andolan, Takam Mishing Purin Kebang Save Dihang Patkai, and option is none of these. And the online campaign, that is the hashtag Save Dihang Patkai, lead to the declaration of the Jaipur Rainforest as the 7th National Park of Assam. The correct option will be Save Dihang Patkai, and the campaign that was launched by Congress Party, Indian National Congress, Assam, launched that online campaign. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? Which of the following is not a greenhouse gases? Here the option will be, the correct option will be O3, that the ozone. Ozone is not a greenhouse gas because it does not control the Earth's temperature. Let's see nitrous oxide. Like carbon dioxide, it is a long-lived greenhouse gas that accumulates in the atmosphere. Then nitrogen oxide, it is a indirect. It is not a direct greenhouse gas, but it is an indirect greenhouse gas. And chlorofluorocarbons, it destroys the Earth's protective ozone layer and also warm the lower atmosphere of Earth, and it is also a great. It is also a greenhouse gas. So the correct option will be ozone. O3. Question number 94. Who developed the concept of hotspots? And the options are Stuart L. Peam, Edward J. Laurent, John Muir, Norman Myers. The term, that is the biodiversity hotspot, it was coined by Norman Myers. Norman Myers in 1988, and he first identified 10 hotspots based on the high degree of endemism and habitat loss, that is the regions of richest biodiversity and most endangered, and the answer will be Norman Myers. What are parasitic photosynthetic plants called? The options are semi-parasites, hemiparasites, microparasite, holoparasites. And the parasitic plants that can be holoparasites with virtually no chlorophyll, and the correct answer would be holoparasites. And the question number 96, how frequently pollutants are being monitored under National Air Quality Monitoring Program? Under National Air Quality Monitoring Program, the options are once in a week, twice in a week, alternate days, and once in a fortnight. Under the National Air Quality Monitoring Program, the monitoring of the pollutants is carried out for 24 hours, that is 4 hours sampling for gaseous pollutants and 8 hourly sampling for particulate matter, with a frequency of twice a week to have 104 observation in a year. So that is with a frequency of twice in a week and 104 observation per year. Then question number 97, what is the total species diversity across all communities within a geographic area called? And the options are alpha diversity, beta diversity, gamma diversity, delta diversity. What is alpha diversity? It is defined as the mean diversity of species in different sites or habitats within a local scale. And what is beta diversity? It is the ratio between the regional and local species diversity. And what is gamma diversity? It describes the overall species diversity across communities within a larger geographical area. And the answer would be the gamma diversity. And now let's see what is delta diversity. It is defined as the change in species composition and abundance between areas of gamma diversity. So the answer would be the gamma diversity. Question number 98. Which is the world's largest solar park? And the options are Benbon Solar Park, Egypt; Bhadla Solar Park, India; Hwanghae Hydropower Hainan Solar Park, China; Noor Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. And the correct answer would be the Bhadla Solar Park, India. So Bhadla Solar Park, it has become the largest solar park in 2020 with a capacity of 2245 megawatt spread across more than 5700 hectares, and the park is located at Bhadla village in Jodhpur district of Rajasthan. And question number 99. What is the modeling approach for evaluating the response of individual species to climate change called? And the options are zero dimension model, box model, general circulation model, bioclimatic envelope model. And the correct answer would be the general circulation model. This general circulation model, it is a type of climatic model, and it employs the mathematical model of the general circulation of a planetary atmosphere or ocean, and this modeling approach that is used to evaluate the response of individual species to climate change. And the question number 100. Which of the following have high assimilation efficiencies of over 90%? And the options are secondary carnivores, herbivores, predatory spiders, social insects. And the carnivores tend to have high assimilation efficiency, and the secondary carnivores have high assimilation efficiency of over 90%, and the answer would be the secondary carnivores. And this is it for the session. With this, we have completed the general awareness paper of ASO 2022. Kindly watch all those videos and like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.